And at the European Breast Cancer Conference, you're doing some work with clinical trials.
Yes, I'm going to be on a panel today talking about barriers for patients to access to clinical trials.
And what are prejudge the meeting, what are the barriers for participation in clinical trials for patients with breast cancer?
I think it's mainly due to lack of information. I think there is a lot we can do to give patients more information, and I'm actually going to show some figures from a survey we made that showed that patients are interested in taking part in clinical trials.
Can you share that data with us?
Yes.
What are the data? What are the numbers?
I can't remember exactly. I think about 30% are interested.
Yeah, really?
And even more, but they say we need more information before making our decision.
Right. And that would be a big improvement in Sweden, would it not? Because
yes.
Nothing like 30% of patients with breast cancer are in a clinical trial.
In Stockholm, actually 25% participated
right.
in clinical trials. I think that's due
well,
to the Karolinska.
That's a high number for
yes,
any country.
Because there is the Karolinska University Clinic and they carry out a lot of trials.
So lack of information, what else stops a patient going forward? Understanding or?
I think understanding, and I recently I looked at the written information they got, and it's about 5 or 6 pages that is really hard to understand, and you need somebody to help you understand what's written in this information.
And who do you think that should be?
Maybe a nurse, a research nurse who can explain.
Yeah. Why do you think we have 6 pages of information for patients? I mean, that seems amazing.
Safety reasons.
It's the lawyers, is it?
Yes,
it's
exactly.
the lawyers who are writing all this stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. But actually, it's not all needed, is it? I mean,
I think it could be made easier.
Yes. Yeah.
We also try to educate our members to ask their doctor, is there a clinical trial I can take part in? Because it will give you the newest treatment.
Yes, sure. And we're preparing videos like the one we're going to show on eCancer TV. Is that a way you might use in the future? To make videos to help people see, on their iPod or on the
I think there are different ways we can spread, information can be spread. We had an article recently in our magazine about clinical trials and about one special. We could have information on our websites about clinical trials, and there are websites especially for patients. I knew the Euromyeloma.net recently started a new website listing clinical trials. I think that's a very good initiative.
What about a video of a patient saying, I took part in a clinical trial and it was good?
Oh, I think that would be excellent.
And put that on YouTube?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, well, I think we might take your advice on that.
Okay.
Thank you very much.